Hello students, welcome you all to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So today in this video we will discuss about the economic importance of algae. From seafoods to biofuel, the green gold of the future. So in this video we will discuss about the economic importance of algae. So let's start. At first, uh, algae are rapidly growing multi-billion dollar sector with global algae products market projected to reach USD 8.07 billion by 2030. So the industries which are mainly focusing on producing algal products is expanding day by day quickly, and it can be expected that the market value can reach up to $8.07 billion by 2030. But now, by the end of 2025, it is only $5.87 billion. So this indicates a steady significant increase will take place in next 5 years at a CAGR of 6.6, that means compound annual growth rate, which means if market grows at an average rate of 6.6 percentage between yearly between 2025 to 30, it will reach the projected value, that is $8.07 billion. So it assumes that growth is reinvested and compounded. Okay. The industry spans food, pharmaceutical, personal care, and biofuel applications driven by rising demand for natural, plant-based, and sustainable alternatives to traditional ingredients. Okay. So at first, algae can be used as a food. Okay. So in coastal region, seaweeds, seaweeds are generally consumed by humans as their normal food. Okay. Porphyra, Alaria, Olva, Chlorella, Chondrus, Rhodymenia, Codium are some genera which are used as food in various forms. So you have to remember these genera, the name of this genera: Porphyra, Alaria, next Olva, Chlorella, Chondrus, Rhodymenia, Codium. Okay. Mainly, Porphyra is a red algae which grows in shallow seawater, very rich in proteins. Okay, very rich in proteins and carbohydrates. It is also a good source of vitamin B and C. Remember the name of the genus, Porphyra, which comes under Rhodophyceae, red algae. Okay. It is common food item in Japan called as nori or sushi. In China, it is called as sai sai, something like that. In Britain, it is called as slok. So there are different names in different regions, but you have to remember this. Nori is obtained from porphyra. Okay. Next, gelatinous carbohydrates obtained from Chondrus crispus, and it is used in puddings, for making puddings. Okay. Next, a salty confection commonly known as dolls is obtained from Rhodymenia palmata. Okay. Next, another thing, remember kombu. Kombu. Kombu is commonly obtained from Laminaria saccharina. it is rich in carbohydrate. Approximately 57% of carbohydrate is present in laminaria saccharina. Okay. Next, there are some superfoods like single cell proteins are obtained from spirulina and chlorella. So many genera of algae are rich in high vitamin content, minerals, proteins. So these are some algae which can be used as food either directly or their products. Next, hydrocolloids. So there are some hidden algae. For example, agar-agar is derived from Gelidium, Gracilaria, okay, mainly from red algae. Next, alginates derived from brown algae, carrageenan, okay. So these are some products which can be obtained from the algae. Next, in agriculture, these algae, mainly blue-green algae, can be used as biofertilizer. That means biological fertilizer, which are safe for environment and soil. Then it can be used to feed livestock. Then in agriculture, in medicine and pharmaceutical industries, many algae, mostly chlorella, cladophora, lingvia, polysiphonia, laminaria. These are some algae which are mainly used to synthesize antibiotic substances. The first antibiotic, which is chlorelin, is obtained from chlorella. Extract of ascophyllum is effective against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Remember this. Water passed through filter containing Nischia pilia showed antibiotic properties. Okay. Member of the order Carels have larvicidal property useful for controlling mosquitoes. Okay. Then algae are generally source of beta carotene, omega-3 fatty acids. Alginates, which are extracted from algae, can be used in wound dressing and fast healing. Okay, so these are some algae which are used in pharmaceutical industries. Yes, another thing, seikosoi. Remember this, uh, se, okay, seikosoi. Seikosoi antihelmintic drug is prepared from red algae, Digenia simplex in South China. Some algae are used in treatment of disease of kidney, urinary bladder, lungs. Brown algae are used in various goiter medicines because it have high iodine content. Okay. Gelidium mainly used for treating stomach disorders. Another thing, remember about Funori. So it is a type of glue which is obtained from Gliopeltis forcata, which belongs to Rhodophyceae. That means it is a red algae. So this glue is generally used in cosmetics industry for hair curling, dyeing. It is also used in paper and textile industries. So remember, Funori is obtained from Gliopeltis forcata. Gliopeltis forcata belongs to Rhodophyceae, that means red algae, and it is mainly used in cosmetics industry as well as textile industries. Okay. Next, it can be used to produce biofuel, okay, which are a renewable alternative to fossil fuel. Now, algae can be used for wastewater treatment. Another important thing, algae can be used to manufacture bioplastics which are biodegradable in nature, because generally plastics are non-biodegradable nature and they uh, compile in the environment as it is. But now we can produce bioplastics from these algae. Okay. So next, diatomaceous earth, diatomite, source fossilized remain of diatoms and uses for filtration, insulation, abrasive in policing. Okay. Then another thing, remember about kelp. 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 Kelp, brown algae. Brown algae, phaeophyci, are rich in soda, potash, iodine, and alginic acid. I've already mentioned about alginic acid. So, alginic acid mainly obtained from brown algae, okay, from their cell wall. So, the dry powder of kelps are rich source of soda, which are mainly used to manufacture soap, glassware, alum. This kelp ash or powder generally contains large amount of iodine, and iodine is mainly extracted from these kelps. Another thing, bromine. Bromine is extracted from red algae, Polysiphonia, Rhodymenia, etc. Okay. Another thing, remember about the disposal of sewage. So the oxidative breakdown of sewage is carried out by bacteria by the process of oxidation. So for oxidation, bacteria obtain their oxygen from algae. So algae also helps for the oxidative breakdown or disposal of sewage. Okay. Next, another thing, uh, algae can be used as experimental material. A lot of experiments in genetics, cytology, physiology have been carried out on Acetabularia, Chlorella, Cladophora. These genera have extensively used for studying the path of carbon during photosynthesis. Okay, so it can be used as an important experimental material. So the economic importance of algae is not a short topic. I can't cover the whole topic in one video, in a single video. So I think I will bring a new video, an extra video, part 2 video of this. So for now, this is all about the economic importance of algae. So in future, I will definitely upload another video regarding the economic importance of algae in details. Okay, so please stay tuned and please like my channel, share with your other friends and subscribe to my channel Sunanda's tutorial. Thank you.